We've teamed up with Compassa to offer the NEBOSH HSE Introduction to Incident Investigation course as a 100% online course. Now, the way this course would work is you book the course with us and we will then send you out the login link, your password and your username, and then you complete the course at your own pace. The way the course works is it watches a series of videos and you have questions as you work through the course. And the course looks at all the different techniques used with accident investigation, so that you're better prepared that if there is an incident that happened at work, you can then do a proper review and gain statements from people, get witness statements, and also investigate the incident so that you can come up with a reason why it's happened, whether there was any fault, but also so that you can then put the right steps in place to mean that this incident will not happen again. The course is created in a fun manner, and also it's done very cleverly because you'll look at a scenario where you're seeing an accident that's happened, but then you're asked a series of questions related to videos. So if you watch a little video and it will then ask you a question, how will you deal with this? And depending on how you answer that, a different video will show. So the idea is to get as much information out of people in the remote working that you're doing with it. So once you've completed the entire course and then done all the relevant tests, then what will then happen is we will then send you out the completion certificate as a digital certificate direct to your inbox.